Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Brainventor, and today I'm just saying my own a natural thing that I just go my garage and found something, and I found this. This is my game console. When I in 4th standard, my father gave me this, but in today I'm class 12, but it is not working properly, and I just become very much sad. And it doesn't know that it was there. In a couple of years it was there. So I think that I make my own gaming console and just design my own gaming console like this. I waste my 4 months making this, and at last I get the result is zero. It doesn't work properly. There's a big problem. After wasting my time of some time, I used my own PCB layout, and then I make my own as same like this, and then it's working properly. And today we'll do that. We use a old days gaming console and my own custom gaming cassette and just make it into like strike on, and that's it. So today we'll make a gaming console with a old gamepad. So let's get started. So guys, you can see that you can hear my workshop, and there is my own custom PlayStation. I can say that it's my PlayStation. I know that it's contain GBA games, but this is my PlayStation. I know that I'm studying, like, you know that, right? What I'm saying. Though I just make it focus, and you can see there was up here. So there, sorry. Okay. So there is our up and right, left, down. And here's the ground. Ground is connected for all switches, and this is for particular switch. Okay, so this is for our sound and DVD, and I make a double port because I want to connect it properly. But this ground pin is the output ground pin. Okay, and this is for my these buttons for this is this 5 ports. Okay, and also this and this I use there to reset and start. And LED, I use a custom LED from my internet. I'll show you. I just lost my custom LED. Wow, that's great. That's why I'm saying that I'm a great inventor. And no, I just can't. I have it. There's. So there is my LED. I just connect my LED up there. So but there's a big problem. When I open this console, I just opened it previously, and I found this. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 5. Sorry, 5 ports. Now wasted. Every work is wasted. That's what I'm talking about. So I have to make my own custom switches. So I just go to my market and found my old PCBs, and let's make this. I think this will be working properly. And so this is a DC. I use a chargeable battery like this, and that's it. I just directly just put that there. Like this I use, and I use the switches of this switch. That's why I make. And the problem is here casing. So I make my own custom casing. I make my own casing by using cardboard. Okay. So wow, let's assemble it. You know guys, after working hour tonight is a midnight. You can know that and my mother and my father is down there, and the TV was also there. But at last I just make it. Yay, it's working as properly as you seeing that. And here's a cable for audio signal and for the video signal. And so let's go there and plug it in our TV. I don't know they allow me to plug it in a TV. Let's find out. So as you can see that it's working right now and I'm playing with it. So guys, after some research and development, that thing is really working. And you know that, right? I just make this project. It takes a whole month. It takes a whole month to making this project. So I need more subscription and I need more likes. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're new in this channel, if you're not new in this channel, if you're regular viewer, to share this video. Come on, share this video. It's 9:02 a.m. It's 9:02 a.m. Why is my watch? Where is my watch? There is. There is my watch. It's 9:02 a.m. I am waking up right now. I'm dead to making this a project. Making a game, it takes a month. So remember that. If you say you can't play with PUBG, I think that it takes a couple centuries to make this type of projects to play PUBG. So don't be worried about in future video. I'll make a video game console that you can play PUBG in 60 FPS. That's guaranteed to you. And subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, like it.